Hi, this is Raj. Welcome to PYT. In today's video, we are going to learn the different service models of cloud computing. So guys, we have three different models of cloud computing and they are IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. So whenever if someone wants to opt for the cloud computing, they need to go with any one of these models. Either they need to go with the IaaS or PaaS or SaaS. So IaaS means infrastructure as a service and PaaS means platform as a service. When it comes to SaaS, it's software as a service. So if you're opting for the infrastructure as a service, all the infra will be provided by cloud computing service provider. Infra means nothing but the required hardware for running your software, guys. In infrastructure as a service, you need to maintain the operating system on which the developers build the required software they want to. And in infrastructure as a service, only the required hardware will be maintained by cloud computing service provider, and the rest all things like developing the software and maintaining of the software and even maintaining of the operating system on which the developers build the software need to be handled by us. And if you're going with the PaaS means platform as a service. So from the name itself we can understand that it provides platform for developers to develop and run the required software. So if we opt for platform as a service, all the required infrastructure and operating system on which the developers build software will be provided and maintained by the cloud computing service provider. So the developers they can directly work on the operating system and develop the required software, guys. And in PaaS we need to maintain the software which has been built by the developers. The operating system will be maintained by the cloud computing service provider in PaaS, but the software which has been built by developers by working on that operating system need to be maintained by us. So maintaining of software means, for example, providing the required security to the software or updating the software or providing the required storage for the software. And when it comes to the SaaS means software as a service. So if we go with the software as a service model, everything will be maintained and provided by the cloud computing service provider. The required infrastructure, operating system on which developers build the application, and the application maintenance will be taken care by the service provider. So here the infrastructure will be taken care by the service provider, even the operating system will be taken care by the service provider, and even the application or software which has been built will be taken care by the service provider. The only thing is we can directly download the software or application and we can use it. So when it comes to the software as a service, we can say the Gmail, Instagram, Facebook, whichever we are using on our mobile devices, because we will be directly installing those applications on our mobile device and we will be using it. Everything will be maintained by the service provider. The only thing is that we will be directly installing and we will use those applications or software. So these are the three different types of service model, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos please do subscribe our channel PYT.